Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to upload a Excel data into database table. So let's start. Today I will upload the country list into the Oracle database. This is the data. This is the country list. One column is country code and one column is country name. To upload this data, today I will use a tool that is called Code for Oracle. To upload the data, we need to table. So now we will create a table, the country list. This is the table creation script. Now I will execute, Control Enter. So table is created. So now I will execute the select statement. So there is no data or no record found in the table. Okay, now I will upload the Excel file data into this table. For this, we will go to Toad menu, database, then go to input, then go to input table data. Now we have to select the data object or destination or table, data table, where I will store the data. So my table name is country list. Select country list, and now you have to select, you have to click show data. After click the button, you will show the table structure, country code and country name. Now you click next and click Excel file. Today we will load the data from the Excel file, so we will click, we will select Excel file. If you want to load the data from the comma separated text file, you can click, you can select text file. Okay, so now today I will select Excel file, then select Excel file country list, then click next. Here no need to change the default value for this type of data. Now click next. This data come from Excel file. Okay, this is a mapping, country code, Excel file column A, okay, and country name Excel file column B. This is the mapping between table column name and Excel column name. Okay, now click next. Now click next. You can choose from commit mode, once commit after all records. That means processed all data, commit, command execute. Okay, I will select this, then click execute. Imported completed. We have total row 246 row, successfully added 246 row. There is no error. Okay, 100% processed successfully. Click OK. Now we will close it. Now I will execute the select statement to show the data from the table. Okay, this is the data. So Excel data load successfully uploaded into the database table. Thank you very much. If you think this video will help you, please subscribe my channel for the next video. Thank you.